This is the stock ETF and index report for today, June 15, 2022 by Trade Seasonals. Let's go to tradeseasonals.com and click on Start Scanning. Review and accept the terms. Let's just review for a second what it is we're looking at here. Trade Seasonals ranks stocks based on security groups and ranks it of the most seasonally active stock for the day. I'm going to log in so we don't just get the top 10. We're going to get a full list. So if you guys create a free account, you're going to see the same list. Let's take a look at Dow 30 stocks. The top seasonal opportunities today, June 15th, is Visa. Based on 10-year seasonality, it is a long opportunity, but this is based on the last 10 years. It would have been long. But let's take a look. Long score and short score here we're looking at. It shows that the trend is still down, and we know that markets have been dropping sharply. There was a broad-based drop last couple of days. So we're not going to concentrate on that, but we're going to take a look at this because these scores, whenever you go and you scan for each of these security groups like Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, you're going to get the best seasonal stock list based on history for today. So bear markets, if we are in a bear market, we might be going down for a while, but bear markets end, and as soon as markets turn around, they're going to go up sharply. When markets are ready to go up, this is where you want to be to get the list of stocks that you want to trade in. We're going to go to any of these groups. For example, Russell 1000, Visa seems to be the top choice for all of them. Even Wilshire 5000, which is all of the tradable stocks in the United States, Visa is on the top of the list, with California Water Service Group being the second. These have very high Sharpe ratios, which means they have had very consistent returns. That's what Sharpe ratio shows you, that if returns are consistent, Sharpe ratio is high. I like to concentrate on high Sharpe ratio opportunities, but there are times that whenever we look at seasonality, which is, for example, for more than 10 years, let's say 20, 30 years, then we're okay with Sharpe ratio being lower. Let's take a look. Charter Communication is on top 4. Waste Management is top 5. These are all great opportunities for the market when the market wants to go up. This is really what you want to be concentrating on, these lists based on these security groups. Let's look at the common indices. Seasonally, Nasdaq 100, the index, should be bullish right now. However, let's take a look. There was a major drop. This is a part of the overall bearish sentiment, and there's also inversion on VIX. If we take a look at VIX, which is volatility, VIX is seasonally bearish right now, except for 2018. It dropped all the other 9 of 10 years. However, this is your current chart. It has been going up quite a bit. And this is S&P 500 futures. This has also been going up sharply. It went from 25 to 32. That's a huge rise. Let's also look at Dow Jones Utilities. Also seasonally bullish, but it's been dropping sharply. So let's go and take a look at shorts now. This is how you look for shorts in trade seasonals. Let's go to Wilshire 5000 group. We click on direction a couple of times, you're going to see our top choice based on 10-year seasonality is Access Capital Holding Ltd. It has been seasonally bearish, and now it has also dropped for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days sharply. That is definitely a good short choice to consider. That's only 11 days, by the way. This is from today until June 26th. It has dropped an average of 2.23% with a standard deviation of 1%. It's fairly consistent. This is definitely a decent short opportunity from today, June 15th, until June 26th. That's the date range. Lightbridge Corporation, a longer term short. It has gone down 9 out of 10 years, average of 28.83%. In 2021, it closed 9.92% higher after it had dropped 28.32%. So you could have gotten out here. This could have been a 10 out of 10 year opportunity. Right now, it has been dropping for the last 2 days. This is another good opportunity to consider for shorts. Achieve Life Sciences, 175 one-day short, 10 out of 10 years, drop of 38%. The stock is a low price stock. It's around $6. We usually concentrate on stocks that are higher than that, like Heltrick Struggles International, another good choice for a short. Juniper, it's always a good time to short this stock. This time of the year, of course. And Jack Pacific Inc. So this is how we take a look and find short opportunities on 10-year analytics. But if we want a larger group, we can go to a less than 10 years. Let's take a look at what's at 5-year analytics. And we will click this a couple of times. We are going to see Wintrust Financial Corp. This is a last 5 years. It has gone down average of 6.44% in 90 days, which date range would be from today until September 13. Next one, SL Green Realty Corp. This is how you find on trade seasonals. You find short or long opportunities. Right now, short opportunities may be your better choices. Take a look at the Sharpe ratios. They are whopping. Large Sharpe ratios here means last 5 years the returns for this stock has been very, very consistent. And in this case, the short return for the stock has been consistent. So look at SL Green Realty Corp. 127 days from today until October 20th, it has dropped an average of 6.64% with a standard deviation of 0.57, which means the returns have been very consistent. Look at the dark red part. They're almost the same size. This stock has been going down the same amount in this period over the last 5 years. Now, if we want to take a look, we can also look at the opportunity here. It's at 5 years, and let's see, how about if we look at the last 10 years? This opportunity has only been a short opportunity for 5 years. And for the previous 5 years, it's been a long opportunity. If this is a bear market, this is definitely something to consider. What else? Hanmi Financial Corp. 88-day opportunity. Average 9.43%. Neophonics Corporation. Sharpe ratio is 6.83. Pretty good. Average profit 5.2%. Wow. It's a low price stock. Take a look. It's at $15, but it's dropped an average of 5.2% last 5 years in a 7-day period, 7 calendar day period. All right, this is how you find short opportunities, and when you need to find long opportunities, just click on your direction the other way. Now let's go and take a look at ETFs. ETFs, the top choice on a 10-year analytics is the healthcare sector spider. Healthcare sector spider on a 28-day period, average profit is slightly over 3%, high Sharpe ratio. It's been dropping, so it's not time to get in right now. If you can see, the long score is 20, so this has been on a downtrend right now. Want to wait till it turns up, but right now it's not a great short opportunity yet. Let's take a look for long opportunity or short opportunities. The only one here is Silver Trust iShares. Silver Trust has 9 out of 10 years with drop average of 1.58% over 272 days from now till March 14. However, long score is also low. See, that has been dropping also. But be careful. Silver could take off if the inflation holds. All right, if we want to see more short opportunities, we're going to reduce our number of years to 5 or 6. I'll go with 6 right now. Click direction a couple times. Top choice, DB Agricultural Fund Investco. Short score is high. It's been trending down. Average profit, a short profit, last 6 years, 1.93% over 14-day period from today until June 29th. It's definitely a short opportunity to consider. Looks fairly promising. Trust VIX short-term futures. VIX is inverted right now. This is seasonally a bearish time for VIX. Yet, the VIX has been taking off. VIX goes up when market drops sharply. Dynamic oil and gas services, there's also inversion here. Apparently not in this case. This had a bearish tendency over 83 days of dropping 11.49% from today until September 6th. And it's been dropping, so maybe this is a good short ETF to consider. Venek Oil Services, also a short opportunity, and it's been dropping, so it's another good short opportunity to consider. Tachyon Wheat. This is a short opportunity and it's been dropping. The trend is fairly neutral, but as you can see, it has been trending slowly downwards. It's a 10-day opportunity and the average profit has been 3.33% over 6 years. We can also take a look at maximum data, 10 years. 2012, 2015, it has gone up. But 2013 and 2014, it has also dropped. Another good short opportunities. Anyways, this is how you find short opportunities for ETFs, stocks, indexes, and commodities here. Just go and create a free account on Trade Seasonals and see our list of seasonal stocks, ETFs, bonds, and so on for today for free. Remember, website is tradeseasonals.com.